Action.
Okay, welcome back people. One last time, the Compustar unlock feature, because I like to wear my red Speedos, and you will understand why I want to wear my red Speedos when I go Silver Lake in my last video. $10 knocks, get into unlock feature. My first code is 1. Second, and my alarm is going off. And I put in my third. Finally, my fourth code. Simon says plays back 4 times. We want to hear the confirmation of the 2 chirps. My keys are in the vehicle, which normally you would hide underneath your seat or in your trunk compartment or whatnot. Thank you for watching.